Here again for part 3. I'm here at Rancho Cucamonga, Family Home Improvements. I'm Renzo, and this is Jose Luis. He started on priming. He's using a classic primer on a product from Texcote. It is really thick primer. And this is the machine that you have to shoot this specific primer. It's a gas-powered sprayer, 8900 plus. I don't think you can even rent this thing. About $5,000–6,000. Check out the rest of the house. You can see everything's masked now, nice and tight. We're trying to avoid all that overspray. There's plastic. We put plastic on the walls and around windows. We do not put plastic on the floor. So if you do that, you end up tracking paint everywhere. We use paper on the floor because the paper absorbs the paint. And that'll help us keep a straight edge line. Oh, here's one of the masking tools that are used. Without this tool, it's really hard to do. If you're going to be masking, get yourself the right tools. It's really simple. I think this is about 25 bucks. And it'll get the job done right. And you'll save hours of time. Dog. Whoa. Whoa, little dog. Alright, let's check out the walls. The walls look really clean. After the primer, we usually can find if there's any defects or bad stucco, patching, or anything weird. This is the time that we find it. That's when I come out and I double inspect it after priming. Just want to make sure that it's what we want it to be. And it looks good. Looks really even. All the patchwork's done nice. All the mold is gone. That's great. I don't see any patchwork, so that's good. And we can see Jose Luis again. That's 18 years of experience of spraying. It looks easy, it's not. Makes it look easy.